Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you are quite safe at your homes. I am Sabine Faisal and I will be taking your English lesson. On the screen you can see my email address. For any query regarding this video, you can contact me through this email or WhatsApp number. Da da da! Can you see these action words? Do you remember these action words? Okay, let's find out what are today's objectives. By the end of this session, you would be able to know about action verbs or verbs. Let's look at the pictures. Do remember that look at the pictures very carefully. Okay, can you see these two pictures? Think, what are they doing? Okay, what can you see on the screen? You can see a girl. But what is the girl doing? No, I don't want your answers right now. Just keep them with you. Look at this boy in a pleasant mood. What about these kids? These children are? No. Wait. Okay, a boy and a girl. They looks very excited. So, what have you seen in the pictures? I know you all know that they are sleeping, drinking, eating, jumping and dancing. It means they are doing some actions. Now let's look at the definition of action verb. An action verb is a word that shows an action. For example, dance, write, jump, crawl, walk, talk, run, clap and cry. Now let's look at a written task. You have to make sentences with these action verbs. Cry, running, driving, playing. Don't forget to share with me your written task on fsabine06@gmail.com. I hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.